Hi friends, welcome to Madhu's Creative Hub. Today we are going to see backdrop or do decoration. This beautiful Ganesha and lotus is what we are going to make. On the wall it looks like this. Let's get started. We'll take cardboard of any size and then draw the required design. You can use any design and shape you want to. I am using Ganesha and lotus. I am taking X-Acto knife and then cutting out the pieces. So I am going to cut all the wrong marks. So I have just outlined it twice, and the inner portion I am going to just remove it. Instead of wool, you can also stick artificial flowers or real flowers as well. I am going to use painter's tape and try to stick the edges which are loose. You can do this for the entire design as well. You can use this as a backdrop decoration and then use it decoration on your door as well. For each festival you can make different designs. I'm also doing the similar thing with the lotus cutout and preparing that using X-Acto knife. Again using painter's tape, I'm just securing the loose ends. Once this is ready, I'm going to take a cardboard and then make a couple of rounds of the wool and then tie knots at every 1 centimeter. And now I'm going to cut this like this. It's very easy to make when you want to make multiple pom-poms. I'm going to trim the edges like this and then gently roll it. This is how I make all the pom-poms and keep it ready. Now I'm using glue gun and sticking them as per the design. I've taken the bright yellow so that it gives a pop of color on any background. You can use any color of your choice. If you have leftover wool, you can do that with that also, with multiple colors as well. It will look good as well. Please support a new YouTuber. If you like our channel content, please like, share and subscribe. So this is how the beautiful Ganesha looks like. This is quite trending nowadays. Photos come really good in its background. Similarly, for the lotus one, I am taking two pink color shades. One is the dark pink, the Rani pink, and the other is the light pink, which is a baby pink. On this, using the same procedure, I prepare the pom-poms. You can make big or small sized pom-poms based on big or small sized cardboard you have taken. Again using glue stick, I am going to stick it. Here I am using two shades. You can use single shade as well. A bigger lotus will look more better. I have a very small space to decorate, so I have taken a small one. This is how it looks. So pretty, right? So you can add any lights. I have added this cork bottle lights. You can use the real lights as well. I have put a background which is a old dupatta of mine. You can use it as a backdrop like this, or you can use it on the wall as well to hang. The lotus one looks like this. Try to choose the color which matches the background. On the wall it looks like this. You can use it on the door as well. You can use both of these together as well. I hope you will enjoy by making this and using it in your festival decors. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.